Hey everybody, welcome back to the Mobile Notary Network. Let me tell you what's happened since you subscribed to the Mobile Notary Network. We've got a bunch of subscribers. It's been awesome. All these videos have been up. I just want to thank you for all the views, for checking out all the other videos. If you haven't, I'm going to tell you to go back and watch all the videos on our Mobile Notary Network channel on YouTube. If you haven't followed us on Instagram, check us out at Notary Professionals. Also, I want you to follow my personal page, Steve Gerardo 78. We also have a website, notaryprofessionalsofamerica.com. If you have any questions, go into any one of these sources, including Facebook. You can find us at Notary Professionals of America. That's on Facebook. Send us a direct message. If you have any questions, let me tell you what this has triggered. Let me tell you what's going on. I just put together a 3-hour, in 3 brief hours, in 8 beautiful segments, I put together a mobile notary masterclass. It's just for you. It's everything that I learned being a mobile notary, not just a mobile notary, a top-notch mobile notary for 8 years in Los Angeles. I signed in all the areas, from the beaches to the valleys to the mountains to the mid-city. And I crossed every type of borrower, every type of loan, every type of lender, every type of escrow company, every type of signing agency, all types of clients. And what I always wanted to do was share my love for the business. I also wanted to share what I found out about how I got through my struggles. I struggled in this business. As a mobile notary, I imagine you're struggling, even if you're a top-notch notary. In this 3-hour masterclass, I share with you everything I believe will grow your business, sustain your business, create your business. This is going to be the greatest masterclass mobile notary training that you've ever seen. And let me tell you what's even crazier. I promise you this, the price that I'm charging for my direct mentorship in this masterclass is crazy. I've seen all the trainings. I've been to all the websites. I've seen all the types of systems that are being sold out there. And they're all much more than what I'm charging. Let me tell you why. I just got this information to share. I've produced it. I put time in it. I've been in the business. I'm an expert. I'm a master. But all I want to do is share it for a reasonable fee. But here's what I'm asking of you. I ask that you see the value in taking a mobile notary masterclass, another course, learning more about your craft, more about your business. This may or may not be the last class you ever take. I'm being totally honest with you. But I promise you, my mobile notary masterclass for you will be the best information that you've ever received in any one course. I'm telling you how it is. I'm telling you how to grow your business. I'm telling you how to create your business. I'm telling you how to keep your clients, how to service the customer, how to get through loan signings. I'm showing you this. I'm telling you, you're going to see me giving it to you just like this. This is what I do. I love teaching. I love learning. I love sharing. So take advantage of this now. Again, the fee for the introductory masterclass release is here now, and it's waiting for you. I'm telling you to take action. Go to the link now. If you have any questions, let me know. But it's time to do this. I'm telling you, buy my mobile notary masterclass. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to give you direct access to email, to text messaging, to direct messaging, however you want to contact me after you purchase the masterclass. Let me know. If you have any questions before you purchase the masterclass, let me know. But I'm telling you, there's no time to waste. My masterclass is going to teach you everything you want to know. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This is the Mobile Notary Network. My name is Steve Gerardo. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Steve Gerardo 78. I believe in living a good life. I believe in living life, and I believe in growing our businesses one day at a time. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll say this 1,000 times. Please leave comments below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mobile Notary Network. Thank you so much for watching, everybody.